Hi, I'm Valer. Huh? What?
It's Valer.
And we're doing this Let's Resin kit. But I already told you that in the other video, and if you haven't watched it, you should go check it out. And so, and if you didn't see the other video that we did yesterday, you should go check it out. It's pretty funny. And this is our resin, and it's from Arch and Glow, and this is a hardener, and this is the resin. But by the way, it doesn't come with these. So you should buy it separately. Well, you have to buy it separately. And also, you can pick some flowers if you wanna. You don't have to. You can only do it if you want to. So let's get started. So let's now get started. So as you see, we've done to our 1-to-1 ratio of our wait, which one's hardener? Which one's with our hardener and our resin? Now we have to pour them together. It is very thick, so you have to stir it extremely thoroughly. Extremely thoroughly. So, if you look inside of the cup, there is bubbles, and that's why you need the lighter that I showed you in the other video. So that's why you have to take all those bubbles out. Pour a thin layer of resin, so whatever the stuff you're gonna put in there does not look all messed up, and also so it sticks. We have just poured the resin inside of the molds, but you probably can't see it because it's clear. And so now we're gonna add our little beautiful thingy-majiggy. Now my mom is putting the pretty stuff in the resin molds, so we can have beautiful necklaces. Just necklaces, I think. And some bracelets, like 2 bracelets. Do you think my mom's doing really good? Because I think so. Mommy is back. So we have gotten our things in the molds, but the molds have overflowed a little bit. So now we're gonna have to try and figure out a way for it to clean up. Now we're gonna run the lighter over the resin to get all of the bubbles out. If you don't like the ground, go inside. So we have made our resin, but we have to wait until it dries completely for a whole day and night. I know, it's very long. And also it's extremely sticky. We had to make more resin, and the resin is very sticky, and it gets everywhere, and I mean everywhere. Our resin jar is drying, so and it's also really sticky, and it got all over my mom's phone and her arms. So, and we also should have used disposable cups. Mommy? Goodbye until the next video.